Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can invite team members to your workspace on Asana, for instance, to work with them on your tasks and projects and milestones. So let us get started. It is very simple. Head over to Asana, log into your account. And what you want to do first, guys, is make sure that you have selected the right workspace. To do that, simply click on the profile icon in the top right. And here to the left under account, you will see all workspaces you've already created. So simply select the one you'd like to go with. So let me go with that one here. And what you want to do after that is click on the profile icon again. And here below, you will see a feature called Invite to Asana or to that workspace. So click on it to invite new team members or people by simply entering their email addresses here to send them an invitation via email so that they may either accept or decline the invitation to your workspace. Finalize it by clicking on send here. And that should do it, guys. Wait for the invitation to be accepted. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.